Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a quick LinkedIn hack. Here is my profile, and if you look over here, you'll see a part that says people also viewed. What that means is that anyone who's looking at my profile will actually see my competitors right there next to me. Well, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here and go to Settings and Privacy. And then I'm going to scroll down to where it says viewers of this profile also viewed. And I'm going to change it. And I'm going to say no, I don't want them to see my competitors. Now we go back. And when we go to my profile, instead of seeing my competitors on the side, they'll see videos on various random subjects.